y'all while I was playing. But thanks for the subs and thanks for the donations. Alright, we finna react to this LosPollos shit. LosPollos said he won a 1v1. I can't take LosPollos. LosPollos is Bow Wow of the 2K community. You can't take him serious, my nigga. I can't. Like, I just can't take LosPollos serious. I'm pretty sure he ain't say nothing disrespectful or nothing. But we about to find out what that nigga talking about. Hold on.
Resident Evil 7 next, it's simple.
Resident Evil 7 next. I could dig it. Alright, hold on. Hold on, y'all. Alright, here go the LosPollos shit right here.
Are you on 2K?
Just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how.
Yo, Brambo, you trying to play or what?
No badges. Soon as LosPollos step on the court, that nigga got the gator face. I mean, he done.
Hold on. Hey, what did I just say about that nigga? Say nigga. Alright, y'all, let's get it, man. We finna go ahead and watch this shit.
He ready to stream that night. That nigga LosPollos is not a hoop. Who else is in your group, Cash? And I ain't really bashing none of your friends and shit. You know, we talking about real life basketball. This
the
is not
crazy thing is, he made like multiple videos like saying shit about me, Cash, all the people we're cool with.
What?
And then he makes another video like,
when did I ever make a video about LosPollos? I'm probably mixing them in a video with CASHNASTY and a video with you and Nadexe. Nigga, I ain't made no video talking about you. Everybody know you are trash, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Why do YouTubers... Bruh, stop trying to create fake beef and saying I'm talking about somebody and doing this. If it have anything to do with basketball, then it's all love and games. Like, I be roasting niggas and keeping it 2K related. Like, how can you get mad over that? I don't get it, bruh. I just don't.
bro, that shit's been squashed. Like, I don't even talk about that shit anymore. Like, bro, you already said it, like, multiple times and made dedicated videos to it. Like, I don't understand, dude. I don't get it. I'll play when I won, though. I'll play when I won, though. I'll play when I won, though.
Wait, so that was the call out? I thought this nigga, like, actually called me out or something.